Good morning, everyone. It's me, Jeanette Paranzo. I just make a random video today about my job. Well, i-share ko lang po sa inyo ang the next step na gagawin ko apart being a housemaid here in UAE. Kamakailan po ay nag-apply ako sa isang bagong company dito sa Dubai as sales marketing at natanggap po ako. I was hired and then ang sabi sa akin ng company ay i-prepare ko yung mga documents ko for visa processing. And yesterday, my recent sponsor talk about if I want to renew my contract, and he is planning to give me a 1-month vacation going to my country back in Philippines. Then I will come back home here and he will give me a plane ticket. But I told him, no, I don't want to renew. I want cancellation. And then he asked me again, what did you say? I said, I want the cancellation. And then he said, okay, no problem, as you like. So, parang kinabahan ako dahil sa face reaction niya na nanghinayang ba. Yung parang, ayaw na pala niya. Kasi napamahal ako sa mga bata, kaya in-expect niya na magre-renew ako. Pero sabi ko, hindi na. At ito rin ang pinakamalaking desisyon na ginawa ko sa buong buhay ko as a housemaid. I was working a household worker since 2014 until now. So, this is the big deal for me. At napakalaking changes din na magaganap sa buong buhay ko as a housemaid professional. So, magre-retiro na ako bilang housemaid at papasok na ako sa sales department. Kasi, since young, mahilig na talaga ako sa trading. Yung nagbebenta ako ng mga pagkain sa school. Tapos, kung ano-ano na lang binibenta ko kahit na nag-asawa na ako. Doon, nagbebenta ako ng mga tuyo sa amin sa probinsya. At saka, kalaunan, naging hilig ko na siya na kung ano-ano na lang binibenta ko through online. At since last year, ay naging official na ako na member sa Mojud Global. Naging staff nila ako at ako din yung taga-market ng products nila. Makikita niyo naman po yung sa mga videos ko na may ginagawa akong promoting products about Sovacin, turmeric products. Sa amin po yung company. Pero hindi po ako full-time doon. Part-time lang at kumikita ako through commission. At this time, sa bago kong company, we are selling aluminum cookware. At saka, sila rin ang manufacturer. Sana po ay through my journey, andyan po kayo. Kinakabahan ako kasi this is my very first time na maging full-time marketing seller ako. So, hopefully, sana maging maganda ang naging decision ko. This is my breakthrough for my entire life. That I will proceed sales. At saka sana magtagumpay ako sa bagong journey na papasukin ko. And by the way, I think my contract will end November 14, but I'm waiting for them to decide with my recent employer to decide which day I will go. And that's it for now. Thank you for listening and watching my video. Hopefully guys, mag-like and subscribe kayo sa channel ko, and enjoy your day. Bye!